Hello, today I will show you how to buy stocks on the eToro platform. You can enter the name of the stocks you want to buy in the search field. I will type the name Intel. Then, when your stocks are found through the search field, you can press the trade button and the transaction window will open for you. In the transaction window, you must indicate that you will buy stocks. Next, there is an opportunity to invest either a specific amount or to buy a specific number of stock units. I will buy units. When entering the number of units, the transaction amount is automatically calculated. I want to buy 1,000 units of Intel stocks. It will cost $28,890 at the moment. Stocks can be bought when the market is open. To buy stocks you need to press the Open Trade button. You can see the purchased stocks in the My Portfolio section. As you can see, I have bought 1,000 units of Intel stocks. You can see the amount of money invested, the amount of profit or loss in amount or percentage. If this information was useful to you, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.